Alright guys, so today we're going to take a look at the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Case for the AirPods 4. And right here I have the regular AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation, and I also have the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. So you will see how this case fits on both versions of the AirPods 4. As usual, timestamps and links to everything that I talk about in this video will be down below in the description. So if you see something that sparks your interest, then feel free to check it out. Alright, let's get right into the unboxing, guys. Alright guys, so here we have the packaging that is Spigen Ultra Hybrid Case comes in. As usual, nice packaging from Spigen. You can see all around, this one should be the ultra clear or the clear version or the transparent, whichever you want to call it. So let's open it real quick. That's pretty much it, what you get inside the box. Alright, so first right here we have a carabiner, and as usual the carabiners from Spigen is always just premium quality. Like, you can definitely see that they took some time in designing this carabiner right here. So we can put that to the side, and then we have a extra adhesive tape, which is always good because what if you want to take off your case and put it back on? It's always good to have an extra adhesive tape. So let's put that to the side also, and then inside here we get the top part of the case, and then in the next bag we get the bottom part of the case. So based off pictures, I thought this was a full transparent case, but I guess this is not the case, because here you can see you have some white solid lines around the case, but the middle of the case is transparent. You can definitely see through this. It's a really cool design if you ask me. It really looks nice in person. But yeah, that's pretty much it. And this is kind of like a hard shell. So it's like a hard plastic, definitely not soft or anything. This is definitely hard. The top part is also hard. And as you can see, you get your adhesive tape right there on the top part. And you get a carabiner. You can simply just put on the carabiner like this, like that. Boom, nice and easy. Carabiner is attached. So yeah, the case is pretty straightforward, nothing much. You get a Spigen logo on the top right there, which is really nice. You get some cutouts for your speaker vent hole, your USB-C port, and also your speaker. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The top part is separate from the bottom part. Alright, so this is how you set it up on the AirPods 4. So just take the bottom part, slide it on nice and easy, just like that. Slides right in place. And then the top part, you're going to take the top part and put it on like that. I'm not going to peel off the adhesive as yet because I'm going to put it on the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation right after this. This is just to show you guys how it looks on the AirPods 4. So this is how it looks. As you guys can see, you get a cutout for the USB-C port right there, which is really good. And then you can open it nice and easy. You can close it nice and easy. And yeah, that's how it looks in this case right here. I really like the vibe of this case. It's kind of like a transparent case, but you also have the white accent. I think the white accent actually made this case looks really good. I think if it was just a pure transparent case, it wouldn't look as good as how it looks now. Let me show you guys how to remove it. So just put a little bit of pressure to take off the top part like that. Obviously, it's going to come off way easy because the adhesive tape is not on as yet. And then for the bottom part, just put a little bit pressure and slide it out nice and easy. And then if you want to take off the carabiner, you just slide it through that, open the carabiner, and boom. There you go. That's how you take off the case of your AirPods 4. Alright, so right here we have the AirPods with active noise cancellation. Just simply slide in the bottom like that. Nice. It kind of has a click to it whenever you slide it in. That's really nice. And then for the top part, we can go ahead and peel off this guy. Before we peel it off, just make sure the top part right here is very clean. Otherwise, it's not going to stick properly. So let me clean it off real quick and I'll be right back.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, so I just cleaned off the top part. Now we can go ahead and peel off our adhesive film. Nice and easy. Make sure the front part of the top part of the case is lined up with the front part of the case itself. So let's do that. Slide it on nice and easy and put some pressure for it to stick. I should have probably take off the bottom part and then do this first, but either way it should work. Just put some pressure for about 30 seconds or so and then you should be good to go.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so after 30 seconds or so, the top part of your case should stick to your top part of your case firmly. So yeah, we're good to go. We can always put on back the carabiner if we want. Slide it on nice and easy. And that's how you put on the case for the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. Now, as you can see, we have cutouts for the speaker vent hole, the cutout for the USB-C, and also the cutout for the speakers. And then on the front right here, if we double tap like that, we should be able to put it in pair mode, so that works. So you can definitely put your AirPods in pair mode, or actually factory reset your AirPods while it's in this case. So no need for you to take the AirPods 4 out of the case for you to do that. So that's a really good feature right there. All right guys, so right here we have the ESR 3-in-1 charger. I've been using this for about a year now and it's been really good. As you can see right here, we have a charger for the MagSafe. We have a regular wireless charger right here for your AirPods, and then we have the Apple Watch charger right here. So this charger has been really good to me. A link will be down below in the description if you guys want to check it out, so feel free to check it out. So the first thing I want to start off with is the MagSafe. Now, out of the box, this case right here, the AirPods case itself, is not MagSafe compatible. It is wireless charging compatible and also Apple Watch charging compatible, but it is not MagSafe compatible. I mean, it will charge by MagSafe, but its magnets that are in here is not strong enough to hold on to the MagSafe. So if you hold it in place, it will charge, but if not, it will not charge. So let's test it out and see if it's now MagSafe compatible. So as you can see, it's charging. So if I let go, let's see if it will stick. Nope, it doesn't stick. So that's kind of like a bad news right there for this case right here, because I've reviewed case in the past. For example, the ESR cases, those are MagSafe compatible. So whenever you put your AirPods 4 in those cases, it becomes MagSafe compatible and you can charge it by MagSafe. So you can't charge it by MagSafe while you have on this Spigen Ultra Hybrid Case right here. But let's see if we can charge it wirelessly. So this is a regular wireless charger right here for the Apple Watch. So we should be able to just put it on and it should charge, which it does. So it does charge wirelessly normally, which is really good. Now here's the test right here. So far I haven't tested a case that actually works with the Apple Watch charger while it's in the case. So let's see if this will be the first one. So nope. As usual, I think the case is just too thick for the Apple Watch charger. Yep, it's definitely too thick for the Apple Watch charger. So the only way you can charge this guy right here while it's in the case is either by the regular wireless charging or by wired charging. So if we plug this in right here, you can see you can charge it via USB-C easily. You have enough clearance to plug it in and also plug it out nice and easy. You don't need to worry about your charger bumping in the case or anything like that because you have enough clearance. So this is how the carabiner looks and feel. As you can see, you can attach this to your pants loop, your belt loop, or your backpack, or wherever you want to attach it to. You can attach it to it nice and easy, and it's very snappy. It's not like cheap or anything like that. So really good carabiner there. I want to do a speaker and an LED indicator test. So I want to see if we can hear the speaker loud and clear while it's in this case. So I'm just going to play this, find my sound. And as you can hear loud and clear. And if we play it again, you should be able to see the LED indicator. All right guys, so now I'm gonna do a drop test real quick on soft carpet. So let's drop it in 3, 2, 1, drop. Alright guys, so there you have it. That was a drop test right there. As you can see, nothing really happened. The case didn't open or anything like that. So we're good if we drop it in soft carpet. Alright guys, so now we're gonna drop this on hard tiles. So let's drop it in 3, 2, 1, drop. Wow. That didn't go as expected. Wow. So as you guys can see, I just dropped it on a hard tile and the case went all over the place. So yeah, as I always say in my reviews, it's always bad when you drop your case and your earpods come out of the case, because imagine doing this in public. Like, you're gonna have to search for your earpods in public, whether it be on the bus, on the train, or on the road, or maybe in the office. Like, that's just no good whenever you drop your case and your earpods go all over the place. So as you can see on the close-up, I don't really see much of a scratch on the case. We're good when it comes on to like damages on the case. All right guys, so here are my final thoughts when it comes on to the Spigen Ultra Hybrid Case right here. So let's start off with the good. So it has a good design. Like the design is really good, transparent with a white accent around it is really good. But when it comes on to protection, it's not the best case to get if you're looking for the ultimate protection. And also you can't charge it by the MagSafe charger or the Apple Watch charger. You can only charge it via regular wireless charger or by the regular USB-C cable by plugging it in and out whenever you want to charge it. But that's pretty much my final thoughts on this case right here. It's still a good case, but just not the best case to get for your earpods for, especially if you want protection or you want MagSafe charging. And also don't get me wrong, Spigen makes some really good cases on the market, but this one is just not one of them. But that's just my honest opinion on this case. But let me know what you think about this case down below in the comment section. A link will be in the description. If you want to check out this case, feel free to check it out. Overall, that's all I have to say for this case right here. Like the video if this video was helpful to you, and also subscribe to this channel because we're almost at 5,000 subscribers and I want to reach to 5,000 subscribers before the end of October. So subscribe so we can get to 5,000 subscribers. And that's pretty much it for this video guys. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.